Good morning, Standard 3. Today we are going to study chapter number 9 from literature side, Proud Froggy. Before going to start this chapter, let's warm up a little. How do you feel when you get the highest mark in some test? Feel happy? Feel proud? Feel nothing? Just tick in your book. Let's begin the chapter. There was a small pond near a jungle. Many little frogs played there joyfully, jumping in and out of the pond. Here, joyfully means happily. Actually, the many little frogs were played in the pond, jumping in and out. Okay, very joyfully. One day they were playing among the flowers near the edge of the bridge. Here edge means side or outside the limit of an area. Okay. They were enjoying themselves when suddenly two cows come there to drink water. Their big hooves came very close to Roy, one of the frogs. Here Roy is one of the frogs who was there when the two cows came to drink water. Their big hooves, hooves means the lower part of the leg of an animal like cow. Okay. Hey, go away! The frog shouted in chorus to shoo the cows away, but the cows walked around. One of them trembled a teeny little frog. Here, hey, go away! The frog shouted. Once they saw the two cows came very nearer to them, they shouted in chorus. They shouted in chorus to shoo. To shoo means to move them away from the pond. A trembling little frog who saw this incident hoped to his big brother. His brother was Proud Froggy. Trembling means shaking. When a trembling frog or little frog who saw this incident hoped to his big brother was a proud froggy. What is the matter? His brother asked. The little frog told terrifying story of the cow trampling a frog. How many are there? His angry brother asked. How many are they? Here are they means they refer to the cows, okay, or the enemy. He replied, there are two of them, don't worry, I will go and drive them out. Here drive them out means to move them out. Here them refer to the cows. Okay. Who said this? His big brother. The little frog's brother is big brother. He was none than the proud froggy. The proud froggy said, don't worry, I will go and drive them out. He said, but brother froggy, you can't, said the little frog. Why? Asked froggy. Then froggy asked, why? One of them is very big, said the little frog. One of them is very big, said the little frog. Nonsense. No matter how big she is, I can make myself bigger. यहाँ पे जब प्राउड फ्रॉगी को बोला कि तुम ये काम नहीं कर सकते, तो प्राउड फ्रॉगी ने बोला कि मैं जाऊंगा, मैं उसको निकाल दूंगा. ओके. Nonsense. No matter how big she is, I can make myself bigger. What can you do? Asked his brother. I can swallow much air. Here swallow means gulp down. Gulp down means simply in Hindi it is called nigal jana. I can swallow much air. Then he puffed himself out with air. Puffed. Here puffed means to make himself bigger. Okay. He puffed himself out with air he swallowed a lot of air. Soon his size doubled. When the proud froggy intake a lot of air, then his size become very bigger. Then, holding his breath, he asked his little brother, "Is that cow as big as this?" "Oh, no, it is not, brother Froggy. It is much bigger. It's as big as a mountain." Okay? It's as big as a mountain. Who said this? The little frog said this. "Oh, no, it is not, brother Froggy. It is much bigger. It's as big as a mountain." "Are you sure?" his brother asked. "Yes, I am," said the little frog. So he closed his eyes and swallowed more air. "If you try to make yourself any more bigger, you will burst," his little brother said. When the proud froggy made himself bigger and bigger, then the little frog said to his big brother that, "Don't do this. Okay? If you try to make yourself more bigger, then you will burst." His little brother said, "If you try to make yourself," next line. He swallowed more air. He looked bigger and bigger. He swallowed more. Then he burst and died. Okay? He take more and more air. And when he become more bigger and bigger, then he suddenly burst. Okay? And died. Everybody now felt sad. Sad means here unhappy that the frog died like this. Someone shook his head and said, "How should not have done that? Even if he were as big as his enemy, he only had air inside him after all. He should not have done that. If he were as big as his enemy, he only had air inside him after all." ये बोल रहा है, उनमें से ये देख के उनमें से एक जो लिटिल फ्रॉगी था उनमें से एक फ्रॉग बहुत दुख किए जो देख रहे थे फ्रॉग, वो बोल रहे कि अगर ऐसा होता, अगर he should not have done that, even if he were as big as his enemy, he only had air inside him after all. एक इसको सब देख के बोले फ्रॉग सब कि अगर ये एनिमी जैसा नहीं करना चाहिए था, अपने आप को एनिमी जैसा बुलाया तब जाकर वो मर गया. This much, and the question answer will be said in my next class. Thank you.